If Microsoft Word has been feeling slow to open, laggy to start, or just sluggish every time you launch it, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple changes that can help Word load faster on Windows without needing any advanced technical skills. These steps are great if Word takes forever to start, freezes while opening, or seems delayed when you first begin typing. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips. All right, let's get into it. First, we're going to check Word add-ins, because add-ins are one of the most common reasons Microsoft Word starts slowly. To do that, open Microsoft Word, then click File, then Options, and then go to Add-ins. On this page, look for the Manage box at the bottom. Select COM add-ins from the drop-down menu, and then click Go. You'll now see a list of installed add-ins. If there are add-ins you don't use, uncheck them. The fewer unnecessary add-ins Word has to load at startup, the faster it can open. After you remove the ones you don't need, click OK and restart Word to see the difference. Next, we're going to reset Word's normal template file, because over time that file can become bloated or corrupted and slow things down. To do this, open File Explorer and go to this path, c:\users\username\appdata\roaming\Microsoft\templates. If you don't see app data, make sure hidden items are turned on in File Explorer. Once you're in the Templates folder, look for the file named Normal.dotm. This is Word's default template file. Before deleting it, you can rename it as a backup if you want to be extra safe. Then delete the Normal.dotm file. The next time you open Word, it will automatically create a fresh version of this file, which can help improve startup speed and fix weird performance issues. Now let's clear temporary files, because build-up on your system can also affect how fast Microsoft Word launches. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and search for Disk Cleanup. Open it, then choose the drive where Windows is installed, usually C. After the scan finishes, look for the checkbox labeled Temporary Files. You can also select other safe cleanup items if you want, but for this tutorial, make sure Temporary Files is checked. Then click OK and confirm the cleanup. This helps remove cached data and junk files that may be slowing down your system overall, including Office apps like Word. After that, let's reduce one more thing that can slightly improve performance inside Word. Go back into Word, click File, then Options, then Advanced, and scroll down until you find the Display section. Here, look for the setting called Show this number of recent documents. If this number is set very high, Word may take longer to load your recent file history each time it opens. Try lowering it to something smaller, like 10 or 15. This may seem like a small adjustment, but when combined with the other steps, it can help Word feel quicker and more responsive on startup. Once you finish these changes, close Microsoft Word completely and reopen it to test the results. If Word now starts faster, that means the add-ins, template file, temporary files, or recent document settings were part of the slowdown. If it still feels slow, you may want to repeat the steps and make sure you removed all unnecessary add-ins and that the normal.dotm file was properly reset. And that's it. You've now learned how to make Microsoft Word load faster using a few simple and effective cleanup steps. If this helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.